I came as fast as I could. Albert filled me in on the draining spell. Oh, Titan, I can't believe this is what the Day of Unity was about this whole time. Ugh, I was such a fool, a dolt, a chump, a...
Hey, no pity parties in this house. Besides, Luce is upset enough as it is.
You're right. I'll do anything to help.
Whoa! I am so happy to see you! I could... Oh, here it comes!
Oh, my word.
Hooty, you gotta stop eating garbage from the ground.
He's also been eating our mail. Look!
Dear King Clawthorn, if you wish to know who you truly are, come to this location and meet our warrior clan. I think they might be my family, and maybe they're an answer to all our problems.
That's incredible, but how is it supposed to help us stop Bellows?